eggs, next caterpillar,
Go,
pupa,
come on.
next
Butterfly.
అలా వస్తుంది అన్నట్టు బటర్ఫ్లై ఫస్ట్
Next is
eggs
Boomy.
ఉంటది. No, eggs. No. Pupa. Just wait. Eggs, caterpillar, butterfly, life cycle
See this one.
butterfly.
Whoa.
This is structure of egg. This is hen. Wait. What is structure of egg? Yolk, hard shell. It is hard shell. Next, which parts are there? Embryo, albumen, hen, eggs, chota chick.
Hen.
Chota